Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Boulders. Well, Boulders has a huge range of lighting to choose from. We came to our local Boulders to take a look at their latest offering. Let's take a look.
From cool concrete to indulgent marble, there are plenty of ways to add interest, functionality, and your own unique sense of style to your ceilings and bathrooms. A great place to start is to decide what type of lighting you need. Task lighting allows you to see yourself better when grooming, while accent lighting lets you highlight a piece of art or a design feature. Or go for decorative lighting, which adds sparkle to a bathroom or living area. And lastly, there are ambient light sources which provide full light in a room. Whatever you need to get your lighting project done, Boulders has got it. From replacing a light switch to fluorescent starter, Boulders can help. If you're looking for an affordable, functional solution like an LED or halogen downlight or a spot you can use for task lighting, accent lighting, or simply to add a bit of sparkle to your ceiling or bathroom, Boulders has you covered. There's also a wide selection of ceiling lights to choose from. It's also worth taking a look at Boulders' smart bathroom mirror lighting and cabinet solutions. Inbuilt lighting gives you perfect task lighting for personal grooming or doing your makeup. Boulders also stocks everything you need, from replacement tubes to tube lighting systems, ceiling mounted brackets, switches, and more. And if you need advice, there's always a member of the Boulders team on hand to help you find exactly what you're looking for.
Well, as you can see, Boulders has a wide variety of services and products available to you. But why not also use their online store and get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep? You can use their website, which is www.boulders.co.za, or otherwise pop into your local Boulders. Get to Boulders, get it done.